Dishwasher has water. Push and hold drain. Pump sounds like it came on. Air gap. No water. Water still in the bottom of dishwasher. Pull the unit out. Check for hose. Binding, hose is not bound. Connect at the top of the air gap. Push drain again. Motor started. Water coming through. Air gap formed properly. Still more water in the bottom. I think we went through a half a cycle. So let's cut it off again. Wait 15 seconds. Power back on, wet fingers. Hold drain. Remaining water coming out. Air gap works properly. Okay. No water. Water's all gone. Drain's not obstructed. Filter a little dirty. Metal filter, not dirty at all. Outside housing filter, not dirty at all. Drain fixed.